Good morning. So the story describes a series of frustrating encounters a pair of guests have with a hotel staff and services. So these encounters highlight the crucial role of a guest interaction in shaping a hotel's reputation and the importance of providing excellent customer service. So in the first encounter, points represent every interaction a guest has with hotel, ranging from initial contact to final departure. So these interactions involve staff, facilities, and even the hotel's environment. Each encounter points allows to hotels to create a positive impression and build a strong guest relationship. So positive interactions lead to satisfied guests, positive reviews, and repeat business. Negative experience can defer future visits and damage the hotel's reputation. Each encounter shapes the guest's perception of the hotel's brand. Consistent positive experience build brand loyalty and trust. Negative interactions erode brand value. So understanding encounter points helps hotels identify areas for improvement, analyzing guest feedback and identifying common pain points can streamline process, enhance efficiency, and optimize resource allocation. So yung settings naman, it happens in an airport where two guests having just arrived try to contact the hotel for pickup. They are attempting to reach the hotel by phone to arrange transportations from the airport to the hotel. In Encounter Point 1, this encounter highlights the importance of clear and efficient communication. The outdated phone system, multiple transfer, and unclear communicate create a frustrating experience. This demonstrates the need for modern technology and well-trained staff who can handle guest inquiries effectively. Next, the Encounter Point 2 focuses the driver's lack of professionalism and customer service. The driver's tardiness, blaming others, and expecting a tip without providing adequate service demonstrate a disregard for guest needs. This emphasizes the importance of employee training and evaluation to ensure consistent professionalism and high-quality service. The third encounter highlights the importance of proper training and etiquette for the staff. The bellcops' impolite behavior and failure to perform their duties demonstrate a lack of understanding of basic guest service standards. This emphasizes the need for clear guidelines and training on how to interact with guests respectfully and effectively. So the last or the final encounter highlights the importance of reliable booking system and sensitivity in handling guest issues. The error in the reservation, the insensitive response from the clerk, and the lack of problem-solving skills demonstrate a lack of attention to detail and empathy. This emphasizes the need for robust booking systems and training for the staff on how to handle guest concerns with professional and sensitivity. So the story ends with a sense of unresolved frustration for the guests. They face a series of inconvenience and unprofessional behavior, leaving them feeling dissatisfied with the hotel services. For me, to provide a more satisfying ending, I think the story could conclude with the hotel taking action to address the guests' concerns. For example, mag-apologize sila sa guests for the inconvenience and they will offer a gesture of goodwill. Another one is they will resolve the reservation issue and they will ensure the guests' comfort during their stay. Lastly, they implement changes to improve communication systems, employee training, and booking process. So I think the relevance of it in our our subject is the importance of a clean and well-maintained environment. So as far as I remember, sa tinuro ni ma'am is kailangan pinapanatili natin spotless yung every corner ng isang room or part of the hotel. So ganun rin naman yun dito sa points of encounter. Kailangan natin i-satisfy yung mga guests natin. I guess the most important takeaways from the story is that guest satisfaction is paramount to a hotel success. Every encounter point represents an opportunity to create a positive impressions and build a lasting relationship with guests. So by investing in employee training, implementing efficient system, and prioritizing customer service, hotels can ensure a positive guest experience and cultivate a loyal customer base. So the story emphasizes the importance of human connection in the hospitality industry. While technology and automation play a important role, the story highlights how crucial it is for hotels to prioritize empathy, respect, and proactiveness in their interactions with the guest.